Hi there, this is John from SSW, and today I'm going to show you a new field called category introduced for the recipe app. Let's get started. So previously, users doesn't have any idea on when's the best time to serve a recipe. Well, now they know, and just by clicking a recipe like this, it would tell them when's the best time to serve that recipe. Now this is called a category at the moment. We could modify this category through a drop-down, and the values of the dropdown is retrieved from the database. Now, at the moment, no one can modify these values unless a sysadmin would manually insert them. Now, let's try modifying the value of the recipe category. Now, I'm clicking dinner and then click save. We could see that the new value is reflected. Now, there's a special case when we select the value of none. It would show us no category selected to force the user to select a category value. Now, finally, for the API call, I've added extra validation. So for example, if a developer specifies an invalid value like this, an error message is shown, also notifying him of the valid values. And that's it. What I've shown you is the new field called category. This is Jom from SSW, signing off.